Today we're gonna replace this window wiper with the old one with this new wiper blade. There are simple ways to remove the wiper blade. Just click or just press that one there and just to remove the blade. There's a clip, if you can see that. There's a clip below this one. You just have to click that one and push down. Okay, that's already removed. Now let's replace with a new wiper blade. Okay, so let's unbox this one. Let's remove the protective sheet and now replace it. Just insert it back again, and then there's the hook. That hook just slip inside. Okay. That's how you replace the wiper. See, I already did it on the passenger side. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.